Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is an impromptu video. I'm going out, but I just got a box in the mail, and you know I love to unbox things with you guys. So this box is actually from Raine. I bought a couple things from them because guys, look what happened to me. And I guess I need to stop leaving stuff on my dresser. I had this Raine bronzer, and I'm gonna show you guys what happened to it. Look at this. Broken. And it's actually one of my favorite bronzers. So I had to order another one, and I ordered some other stuff from them, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. It comes in a box like this, and then the packaging looks like this. So I'm just gonna unbox it with you guys really quick before my client gets here and before I gotta do what I gotta do. You know, I gotta slay the face. So I actually bought two bronzers actually. I bought the one that I broke and then another one from them. So the first one is Mocha Queen. Let me see which one I broke. Yeah, I broke Mocha Queen. Hopefully I don't ever break one of these things. Why does it look like this? Hopefully nothing's wrong with it because it has a little bit of... Okay, great. It's not broken. Looks like that. Guys, it is very pretty on the skin. Like when I say pretty, she is a pretty, okay? So I've broken my favorite highlighter as well that fell off my dresser, and I'm just like so upset, but I've got a new one. I actually exchanged it at a place that I don't work no more. You already know. So the next one is called Naughty Spice, and I'm going to open it to see. I think this one is lighter than the one I had. Yes. Okay, so that is Naughty Spice. And then the one that I broke, the one that I got replaced is darker than this one. So I have two. So I can use it for, you know, my dark clients, my medium tone clients. And I bought two palettes from them, which I'm like, ooh, just stay steady. I bought two palettes from them because of one color that's in them that looks so cute, and I couldn't choose which one I wanted, so I bought both, guys. This, ooh, look at this. Ooh, the bees is flying when you move the thing. But I'm gonna show you which color caught my attention. So guys, look at this. Look at this. Are you kidding me? The color that caught my attention is this green color here in the middle. So they have it in both this palette, and this palette is very pretty. Like when you move it, the bee flies, and it's called the Queen Bee palette. I like the concept. And then I bought a Queen Bee lipstick from the Queen Bee collection. I actually saw the owner use this lipstick, and I was like, okay. She used it with a lip liner, a brown lip liner, and then she put this one on top. That's what it looks like. It's an orangey color. And yeah, hopefully it why does it look like this? Hopefully it's good because I don't know. Okay, so that is what the color looks like. It's like a orangey. I've always tried to find an orange color that matches my skin. That one looks pretty good. I'm gonna try it with a brown lip liner and see what happens. Can you guys please just, yeah, oh, stay like that. And so the next palette that I have is called the Rebellious Nudes, and it looks like this from Raine. Guys, I'm just doing this impromptu unboxing because I know I won't have any time to do it because I'm going to be using the products with my clients. So I'm like, you know what, let me just do it with them and get it over with. My back hurts, guys. I probably will have to do a breast reduction. I probably will have to do the reduction because there is no way I can go about with back pain for the rest of my life. Like, I'm planning on losing some weight and then do the breast reduction surgery. So that is what is happening in my life right now. I'm having extreme back pain, not extremely, damn, can't talk. Anyway, yeah, that's what I've been up to. I lost 4 pounds actually with one of the challenges that I was doing with somebody I know from Instagram and in real life. So yeah, so this is the next palette, guys. Look at it, it's so pretty, and it has this green in there as well. Like, it's shifty, like it goes green and then you see it changes color there and then it goes a darker green. And guys, this green is what caught my eye in these two palettes, and they were having a sale and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna buy it. So guys, that is the unboxing for colored Raine. This video is not gonna be edited. I'm just gonna be putting it up on YouTube so you guys could see it, because I haven't posted a video in a while because my laptop is still broken. I lost my job and I have to find money to fix it so I could upload again. But God worked things out in miraculous ways. So we move, we still pray, we still worship, we still give God thanks, because I'm still grateful, I'm still alive, and I'm still blessed. So with that being said, don't forget to be love, be light, be positive, be nice to somebody today. Don't be mean. Don't say things that you don't mean because you can't take it back. Don't do things you don't mean because you cannot take it back. And yeah, that's all I want to say. Thank you guys for watching. I'm so confused as to why my phone is still recording, but I'm not gonna complain. Thank you, Jesus. I'm gonna get ready. My client is on her way. Look at the lipstick drying down. It's so pretty. It's very nice. I'll probably do a vlog getting ready. My outfit that I might wear tonight was one that I had for my birthday and it never came, so I might just wear that and then buy something again for when my birthday comes up. But yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next episode of Ali B. Thank you guys, I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Don't forget to do that. Bye guys.